my name is Nee. I'm gonna be doing this quick get ready makeup look before I actually go to the movies in like 40 minutes. But it's like pretty quick and easy. I can probably do this makeup look in 5 to 10 minutes, but it's really quick and easy to do. And the movie I'm gonna be watching today is actually called The Worst Person in the World. So let's be watching. But I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. And further ado, let's get started. So I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick because I'm gonna head to the movies. Actually 40-50 minutes away from me, the movie theater, but it's in like Glendale area. I'm gonna start with a primer. This is the Milani Bright Side primer. I've been using this for quite a while. It's okay, it just like burns on my face a little bit, but I like the stickiness. I'm gonna pat that all over my face. When I do a quick makeup look, I usually don't wear foundation at all. I hardly ever use foundation, but I'm just gonna go straight into concealer. So the concealer I'm using is the Kat Von D concealer, the Lock-It one in the medium. I'm just gonna take my finger, put a little bit under my eye to get rid of some dark circles. And on my forehead and around the mouth area. Also on my concealer right here, but like there's a little guy growing right there, a little pimple. I'm just gonna use my finger and blend that out. So the movie, I went to the movies actually. That's why I'm getting ready real quick. And the movie I'm going to see is called The Worst Person in the World. I think that is. And I think it's like subtitles in it, so I have to bring my glasses. But I hope it's good. I watched the trailer and it looks like a romantic comedy. But blend, blend, blend. And I always use my ring finger because it's the most gentle finger. But I'm going to use another concealer on top of that, on like just in the dark circles. I'm going to use the LA Girl in the color Porcelain. Squeeze it out a little bit and put it right here. And then up here. Just a little bit to lift up the eye and to make it more brighten. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. And then I'm going to go into my face. I'm going to use a bronzer next. And the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Hulu Benefit. And I'm just going to use an ankle brush and put it in the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit more higher up so my face is more lifted. I'm going to use the forehead too. And my jawline. So after that's done, I'm gonna go into blush. On the blush, like I've been trying out here and there, is this one by Canmake. And when I used my finger last time, it didn't work as well, but I've been using a brush, like a dense brush, and it's been working a lot better. But I don't think the color lasts as long as I would hope it would. I'm just gonna dab it in, pat, pat, pat. The brush is a lot better than using my fingers, and put it around my nose. So that's my face makeup. So I'm gonna go into my eyebrows now. I'm just take a spoolie brush. The same method I've always done for the past few videos. I just spray the spoolie brush with water and take my soap bar and push up my eyebrows so it's more fluffier and more full. I remember when this technique was very popular about 2 or 3 years ago or something. And ever since then, I've always liked doing my eyebrows then. I only bring like an eyebrow gel while I'm on vacation and everything because this thing is way too fat. Unless I need to bring this and I don't have an eyebrow gel. But usually I prefer this over an eyebrow gel any day. Because I like the look of it way more. It looks more fluffier, more fuller when I do this. Okay, after that's done, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. So I want to go in the eyes. So I don't know if I want to do eyeshadow as a quick look, so I usually don't do eyeshadow, but I might do a quick eyeshadow wash. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this palette. It's the Friends X Revolution palette, with the Phoebe one. I wanted to get the other palettes too, but they were all sold out. I'm gonna take this color Lobster, dip my blending brush in there, and just doing a small wash of color on top. And bring it on the lower lash line. And do the same thing on the other eye as well. So it gives my eyes a little bit more color and more depth. Okay, after that's done, I'm gonna do a quick eyeliner. So the eyeliner I'm gonna be using is the Rare Beauty liner. This is a matte liquid one. I've been using this since I got it over the summertime, but I feel like it's okay. It can be a little messy. I like it so far. It's not my favorite that I've ever tried, but it's not bad for an eyeliner. So I'm just gonna line my eyes real quick. Start from the edge and bring it down. And there we go. I'm gonna do the other eye as well. I always do this liner the best compared to this eye. I don't know if that's everyone too, but this one is usually better than this eye. So let's see. There we go. So I just finished my eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my lashes and add mascara. I'm just gonna ask, what are your guys' favorite eyelash curler? I've been using this eyelash curler, not the same one, but the same brand, the Tarte one, for many years. So I like how like this is cushioned, but I don't know if I should test out other eyelash curlers or not. Okay, I'm gonna add coats of mascara. I'm gonna use this one, the CoverGirl Lash Blush, and add a few coats of mascara. And then I'm gonna go into this one, the Voluminous Millions Lashes by L'Oreal, and add a few coats of that on top. That is done. Now that is done. So now I'm gonna go into the eyebrows. I'm gonna use this NYX pencil, the micro brow pencil in ash brown, and just fill in the sparse areas. Make sure it's very gentle when you do mini strokes. And then I'm gonna take this booby side and brush it up so everything blends it in. Oops, I didn't twist it back and I was broken the tip. I always forget to twist it. Add a little bit of highlight on my nose, then the corners and under my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Balm, this one right here. Take a little bit of my finger and put that on the tip of my nose, down the bridge, in the inner corner right here. And since it's so dry here in Arizona, I don't need to set my makeup. My skin is pretty dry. But back then, when I was in Vermont, I would always have to set my makeup. Here in my Cupid's bow. When I add lipstick, I just moisturized my lips a little bit earlier. But I'm gonna use this lipstick right here. It's a Lancôme in the color Natural Beauty. The cream one. That's what it looks like. So it's just like a new lipstick. I'm gonna add this right here, and then I'm gonna add a lip gloss on top of that. The lip gloss I'm gonna be using is the e.l.f. Is it a clear lip gloss? I'm gonna add that on top, and then I'm just gonna use the setting spray real quick. This is the NYX one. My fan's over there. I don't want to get it. So I'm using my hands as the fan, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this quick and easy look. I can usually do this look within like 5 to 10 minutes, but since like I've been talking, so it's definitely longer. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and please like and subscribe for me. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day.